Today I am going to explain you the most important topic for CFA and CPA students, that is time value of money. Time value of money concepts will also helpful for understanding the leases and notes payable, long term liabilities, bonds. Okay, like that these concepts will be helpful for the future classes. So this is the prerequisite concept for understanding the financial concepts like capital budgeting, capital leverages, cost of capital, weighted average cost of capital. For all the aspects, these basic concepts will be useful for understanding the entire things. So now time value of money concepts are very much important for calculation of present values and future values. Now first understand the present value and future value. What is the difference between the present value and future value? In the same, the value is more when compared to now. For example, now I have $100 I deposited in a bank, so I'll get after 1 year. So now I'll deposit $100 means I'll get more than $100. The future value is higher than the present value. Means money held today has a different value than the money to be received in the future. Okay. In the same way, money to be received in the future has a different value than if held today. In the same way, I'm going to get $200 from a fixed deposit after 1 year. So if I convert into the present value, so I have to discount some at the rate of 5% or 6% interest rate. The present value is lower than the future value. So what is the difference? Because actually, so simple example I will give you. Now I am giving a loan to some other party $100. If I give $100 loan to some other party, the party gives me my $100 plus something more. The something more is because of uncertainty. So my money is in your hand now, that is certain. If I given to some other party, that become uncertain because not in my hand, something may be happen. The risk cost is nothing but they are paying me interest. The interest is approximately at the rate of something. So that's based on many factors. So the interest, why they are giving the interest? They are giving interest because of certainty factors. So that is the reason the future value is higher than the present value. Most of the times the future value is higher. And in the same way, I'm going to get $100 profit in the next year. Now I'm expecting what is the value if I convert into now. So again I am discounting. So converting present value with the help of future value by discounting and identifying the future value on the basis of present value by adding some interest. So this is the basic concept of understanding the present value.